What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Simply Investing. We're here. I'm Bobby. We're gonna do a quick segment of I'm researching up a coin. The coin today that we're doing some research into is SUI. Heard a lot of good things about it. I'm gonna go over what I do and how I look at everything. But as of today, like and subscribe, share this video, subscribe to the channel. We do lives every Monday at 8:30, Monday through Friday, 8:30, our crypto morning chat, and every Sunday, what's in your portfolio podcast. And my buddy Cody, sometimes he joins on when he can, and we kind of go over some topics, news related things, everything involved in crypto, investing, world, real estate, anything that you guys have questions about. Also, all of our lives and our podcasts are all open forum, so if you want to join in and ask any questions, fire away. We're always happy to help, whether you just want to put it in the chat or if you want to hop on live with us and talk to us about any questions you have. Remember, always get a certified financial planner to help you out in your investing endeavor. I am just a licensed broker. That's all I was. So I'm not a trained financial advisor. I'm just a trained broker. But keep in mind, I do have my Series 7, and there's a fiduciary responsibility for me to help you out if you ask any questions, and I do have to point out if something is a fraud or if it isn't to you before you buy. That's about it as far as a broker. A financial advisor will help you every step of the way to the very end of your life as to how to plan your money. With that being said, let's get into this coin here. And thank you guys for watching. It's always exciting to help people watch and go through the process. Now, I heard about this coin. Got some interesting, I think Coin Bureau covered it as well. It just launched at the beginning of this month. You know, it's at right now $1.16, but launched at close to $1.30, something around there. So let's just see here. I'm just going to read right off of here. SUI is the first of its kind layer 1 blockchain and smart contract form designed from the bottom up to make digital asset ownership fast, private, and secure, and accessible to everyone. Excuse me. With horizontally scalable processing and storage, SUI supports a wide range of applications and unrivaled speed at low cost. Now, this is important. Everyone, with gas fees on Ethereum being high and Bitcoin being slow, although Litecoin is going to be helping Bitcoin operate a little faster. However, people want to get their money fast. I know that it's hard with Ethereum. It's like you don't want to be dollar cost averaging in, putting $500 and spending $200 in gas fees. So yeah, we understand that. But what I can say is that finding cheaper alternatives that work well and do interoperability is going to be great. Now, SUI looks like a good candidate for this and might be a good addition to your wallet, although I would say, or to your portfolio, I would say that you should keep about any new coin, keep it under 5% of the total value of your portfolio. That way, if it goes bust, you're not losing too much. With that being said, let's keep diving in. It's already liking the compatibility. I do like the fact that it does have it's got better scaling, better speed. Although I don't think it's as fast as XRP, but it's got better speed, can work with any network, has interoperability capabilities, and solves a lot of problems that some people have with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So is this going to be an Ethereum killer? No. But is it going to be a Solana killer? Yes. It's probably going to start killing off all those other ones if it gets traction. Now, right now, it just launched. They don't have much to do, and they're trying to get their footing and everything. So that's okay. So let's go take a look at the white paper, right? So where is your white paper? Yes, we're going to accept all cookies. Where is the white paper? We're going to find it. Let's open that one. Let's open this one too, just to do more of that. Not getting a clear cut to their white paper, but hey, sometimes it's a little more hidden. Maybe they didn't make it well enough. Okay, all right, here we go. I'm kind of where we want to be on here. So you always want to take a good look at what the white paper is, what they're trying to do, what they want to, what they're aspiring to do. So as you see, they kind of really started about 2018 with the founder and everything, working on Web3. So yep, they're trying to do cross-platform. Okay, they're trying to do a lot of different things. Embedded move with the first blockchain move-based change, are largely used in DEM style approach. So okay, so there has something to do with also NFTs too. Okay, although I think the NFT train is dead, but however, I think NFTs have other uses than like a monetary asset. I think there's definitely some potential there, but it's not. We're nowhere near where. Once someone figures it out, I think it will become great. So basically, they're talking about how they're going to write code to solve problems and failures in other blockchains and interoperability and transfers and exchanges. What I do like is that they're trying to solve the private issue and make your transaction fully private. Now, that's kind of turning this into what is a traditional cash transaction, right? If you have just cash in your wallet, you go up to someone and you buy what they're offering and you give them cash, there's really no record of it other than them on good faith reporting on their sales and revenue that, hey, I sold this and got this X amount of dollars for it. So let's just say you have 10 grand in cash and you bought a car for 10 grand. Other than the title office showing the exchange of title, they don't know that you bought a car. I mean, you could buy a car and have it sit there in your driveway for years before you register it. They have no idea. So that's what this is trying to bring, that level of privacy in exchanges. So just like you went to the grocery store, you gave them $100 bill for the groceries, they would never know that you bought groceries. They won't know who you are. It's a transaction. It's a nameless transaction. That's what they're trying to do. Ooh, excuse me. Got the 5th bottle of water today. If you that's what they're trying to bring. That's what crypto is looking for, something in that privatability area. Now, where we're coming in is we're trying to invest and see where is this going to get us the money. Now, since this is launching a year before the halving, the next Bitcoin halving, and possibly a year and a half before the next bull run in the crypto world, I think this is going to have quite a bit of potential. Now, what we can do is, most thing I like to do before I start really investing is, we are going to take a look at the community. So what I like about CoinMarketCap, and I am nowhere paid by CoinMarketCap to them, but what I like about it is that they have this little forum on the side, and you can check out what people are saying about it. Are people involved in it? So you kind of want to get through, because there's a lot of spam in here. But if you get down to like right here, you see this SUI only my opinion. What do I know? But I believe if you're patient, SUI will see below 0.6065. This launched weeks ago. Can't imagine we don't see consolidation, but if it holds through 2023 market cap wise, that confirms to me that big players are involved, supporting and believing in this project. Okay, so that makes sense. You know, this person's predicting 60 to 65 cents. If I look at other coins, let's just say Dot kind of dropped a little bit but stayed relatively steady. But if you look at a lot of them, they started out really slow, like XRP, Solana, really low, and they just scaled upwards. They started out at like a thousandth of a penny, and then before you knew it, they were like a couple bucks, then all of a sudden scale high. So let me just go ahead and see anything. Of course, you know, it launched only 3 weeks ago, but what you can do is put it on your watch list. So how many people have this on their watch list? Close to 60,000 people have it on their watch list. So in the crypto world, that's not really a lot. I'm kind of hoping for like 600,000 people watching it. Then it's starting to make mainstream. But this could be a coin. We're going to put it on our watch list. I'm going to put it right there. I'm sorry, I did not hit that. we are going to follow this on my watch list, right? If I go to my watch list, it should show up there. So I want to watch this because I want to make sure that I want to see where it's going and what's in, because if it does dip, which most new coins now, but it looks like it's not going to dip anytime soon. If it is holding $1, now what I would do is put $100 in, right? You get like 95 tokens or something like that, 90 tokens, right? Just hold. If it drops, because then it's going to, on my wallet, on my Arceus wallet, it will just ping me when it's dropping. So I'll just start buying a little bit more and ping and ping and ping, and we'll see. Or we'll see if I see that it goes from $1.16 to say like 30 cents in one day, then it's okay. We can drop that coin. So that's why I say only put $100 in, because if you lose it, you lose it. If not, then hey, or put whatever you think is going to be. If you lose it, you're not worried about it. All right. There we go. Now we got that following done in there. So let's just go ahead and see here. What exchanges is it on? It's on Bybit. Okay. So it's on Bybit. We can go ahead and do that. Or I don't think it's on I don't think it's anywhere else. Okay. So it is on Bybit, but I think it's also on Binance as well, because it's showing prices here on Binance, BitThumb, and KuCoin. So most of the volume seems to be right there, but as you see here, there's not a lot of volume on it. But that also could be a good thing. It's like not a lot of people know it. So maybe, you know, like I said, if I put $500 in, and let's just say it shoots up to $50 a coin, right? So we have 500 divided by 1.16. That's 430 coins times 500. Let's just hypothetically say that's $215,000. I would be completely happy, ecstatic with that, because I'm not trying, like, how you're going to build wealth off of this is not to try and get the, oh, I put 500 in and I made $2 million. No, I put 500 in, I made 10 to 20,000, I cashed out, and then started doing other things, and then just keep repeating the process. That's what I say you should do for this. Now, with that being said, is this going to be like a new market buster coin? Hell no. I have no idea yet. We have no idea. We have no idea. Like, we have the ICO information. Initial ICO was 10 cents a coin. So, okay, so it certainly went up there. Where do you have total supply? I don't really have a total supply. Oh, you can buy it on KuCoin. Okay, so you can buy it on KuCoin as well. Let's see here. Okay, seems like there's quite a bit of big chunks sold. Okay, let's take a look at what people are predicting this price at. So let's say, I'm gonna say down 10 cents. Okay, people are predicting that this price is going to rise. Fair enough. I don't know if we're gonna get that high, but it's saying that we should be pretty much steady the whole year. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see on that. I can't really get any much more news about it. I'm not seeing how much. I see the coin. Well, I guess we could take the coin market cap here. I'm gonna have to use a different calculator. Give me a calculator. Okay. So total value is 11,576. 350346. We can get a kind of a rough one thing, right? Oh, because that's about how many coins are out there, right? So that's quite a bit, almost 10 billion coins. Okay. Now we got to see how's this going to be used for, and what else is going to be out there. I think this is going to go down before it goes up. At about 1,700 people give estimates on it. Everyone's talking in the high 20s. I don't think it's going to get there because it's too new. There's not enough volume, not enough anything. People are going to be done buying, and they're going to just let it kind of slide off. Okay, max supply. See, I was pretty close. 10 million is the max supply and total supply. Okay, so now we got to do a little bit more research. With that said, guys, hey, like and subscribe to the video. This was kind of just a quick rundown of what I'm looking for in new coins, although the next thing I'm going to look for is to see if I can find any conferences or broadcasts or anything like that. So let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe, comment below. I try to answer as many comments as possible. Catch our lives every Monday through Friday and also on Sunday morning. Let me know what you guys think. We're here to help in any way that we can, especially the more people we get educated on crypto, the better the crypto world will be. So with that said, guys, hey, thank you. Like and subscribe. Follow us for more. And follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. And, oops, I seem to be doing things wrong here. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Facebook. Subscribe on YouTube and everything. And really help us out. Really appreciate it. Thank you, guys.